Hello again, welcome back. We're beginning to get nearer to the end of this unit. We are talking about phrasal verbs in movement, the movement of phrasal verbs. So we can see with the arrows, we can see the movement of the action, okay? We're going to take this one step further. We're going to use these questions and I am going to ask you, what difference does the preposition make? What is the difference between please don't throw food and then if we add the preposition and we use a phrasal verb, throw away, what is the difference? Okay, each of these questions, as usual, I would like you to stop the video to think of the possible answer and then I will tell you. Good. Are we ready? What is the answer? Please don't throw food. Please don't throw food away. Here we go. If you say, please don't throw food, the situation could be, for example, in a school canteen. The children are being naughty. They are taking their chips, they are taking their food, and they are throwing the food. Okay, they are throwing the food. John is throwing the food at Sarah. Sarah is throwing a potato at Jacqueline. They are being very naughty. They are throwing food. Please don't throw food. Good. But throw food away. Let's look at the preposition. Here we are. Away. Please don't throw food away. Away, not here, somewhere else. So what could this mean? Please don't throw food away. The answer is that it means please do not throw the food in the bin. Do not throw the food in the bin. Maybe you should eat all the food, or maybe we want to use this food to give to animals later. In any case, do not throw the food in the bin. Okay? So there we see the difference between throw something, throw a snowball, throw a ball, for example, and throw away, which is to put in the rubbish. Okay? To put in the trash. Good. Let's go for question number 2. Okay? Here we go. Question number 2. Come quick. Sarah's cut her finger. Sarah's cut her finger off. Try to think of the difference. Stop the video, think of the difference, and now I will tell you the answer. Very big difference. If you phone somebody and you say, Sarah's cut her finger, the reaction is very different if you say, Sarah's cut her finger off. Okay? Sarah has cut her finger. She had some scissors, she cut her finger. She is bleeding. Okay, there is blood on her finger. Not very serious. Okay? Sarah's cut her finger off. She has to go to hospital immediately. Her finger has come off. She has cut her finger off. Her finger is missing. The difference is quite important, as you can imagine. Okay? So you're beginning to see how important some of these things are. Let's go to question number 3. Okay, I can't hear anything. Please speak. Please speak up. In this case, the difference is not very important but in this context, but it can give you an idea again of how the preposition changes the meaning of the verb. In the first case, please speak. You aren't speaking. There is silence. Tell me something. Please speak. In the second situation, please speak up is you are speaking, but I can't hear you very well. There is a lot of noise in the room. Please speak up. Raise the volume. Okay? So again, speak up. Speak up is often used in different cases when somebody, for example, wants to protest against something. So they speak up, they raise the volume of something. Okay? Let's go to number 4. Okay. Here we go. My favorite shoe shop has closed. My favorite shoe shop has closed down. What's the difference? Okay. My favorite shoe shop has closed. I understand. It is not explicit, but I understand that it is 9 o'clock in the evening and all the shops are closed. Okay. So it's not the time of day to open at the shoe shop. It's closed. You will have to wait till tomorrow. The shoe shop has closed down. This is explicit. To close down a shop, to close a shop down, better, is to stop the business. Maybe the owners have retired. Maybe the shoe shop is not working. There is a reason, but this shoe shop will not open again. Okay? How well are you doing? Are you beginning to understand how this works? Good. Let's go on to number 5. In this chapter, we're going to stop with number 5 and we will carry on with the other 5 examples in the next chapter. He's going to paint over this picture. Okay. Or he's going to paint this picture. What is the difference? He's going to paint this picture. He's going to paint over this picture. Notice that this time I have not put paint this picture over. It is possible, but now it sounds better for me here. Okay. I would not worry too much about this. Okay. It's not very important. If you were to say he's going to paint this picture over, it's probably less common, but it's not so important. Okay. The more and more you see phrasal verbs, the more you will begin to get the instinct of this. It's not. It's too complicated to memorize every single phrasal verb where it goes. Okay. As a general rule, with this type of phrasal verb, the object does go into the middle, but with exceptions, and these are one of these exceptions. So, what is the difference? He's going to paint over this picture, he's going to paint this picture. I will tell you in the next chapter. See you.